To use Plaid with Credit Karma. Start by understanding what Plaid is. Plaid is a financial technology company that provides a platform for linking bank accounts and credit cards to various financial apps and services. Credit Karma is a personal finance company that offers free credit scores, credit monitoring, and other financial tools. First, go to the Credit Karma website or open the Credit Karma app and log into your account. If you do not have an account, sign up for one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Link Accounts section. This is usually found under the Profile or Settings menu. Next, select the type of account you want to link, such as a bank account or credit card. You will be prompted to search for your bank or financial institution. Type in the name of your bank and select it from the list of available options. You will then be redirected to the Plaid platform, where you will be asked to enter your bank login credentials. This information is securely transmitted to Plaid and used to link your account to Credit Karma. Plaid uses encryption and other security measures to protect your sensitive information. After entering your login credentials, you will be asked to select the specific account you want to link. Choose the account you want to connect to Credit Karma and confirm the link. You may be asked to verify your identity or confirm the account link through a confirmation email or code sent to your phone. Once your account is linked, Credit Karma will be able to access your account information and provide you with more accurate and personalized financial recommendations. You can view your linked accounts and manage them in the Credit Karma app or website. It is essential to note that you can unlink your accounts at any time if you no longer want to share your financial information with Credit Karma. To do this, go to the Link Accounts section and select the account you want to unlink. Confirm that you want to unlink the account, and it will be removed from Credit Karma. Using Plaid with Credit Karma can help you get a more comprehensive view of your financial situation and make better financial decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely link your accounts and start taking control of your finances.